Yeah, hello guys. We meet again in the Editing One Online, and we will discuss about the fifth part. Yeah, the fifth part. It's about how you to describe the assurance surface and non-assurance surface. Yes. For this part, I want you to take a look with the in the summary in here, the image in here. This is the summary of the assurance versus non-assurance surfaces. So you take a look in here. The left side is the assurance surfaces. The right side is the non-assurance surfaces. Yeah. So the left side, the assurance surface, including the attestation surface. Within the attestation surface, there are audits, reviews, internal control over financial reporting, other attestation surface, and other assurance surface. Yeah, of course, there is some management consulting. Yeah, the management consulting itself can be assurance or non-assurance service. For the non-assurance service, there is the other management consulting. The tax service is, tax service is including from the non-assurance service because we are not assured anything. We only calculate the tax number. And of course, the accounting and the bookkeeping is the non-assurance service. Yeah. So I want to enhance in here if the CPA do the tax service or the CPA do the non-assurance service for the company A, the CPA, the certified public accountant, cannot have assurance service for the company A because they do the service for the company A for the non-assurance service. Of course, they cannot audit uh, their work himself. Yeah, they create the financial statement, they audit their financial statement. It's not make sense. So once again, if the CPA, yeah, provide the non-assurance service for the company A, they cannot audit the company A. Yeah. So let's back again in the definition. Okay, so assurance service. An assurance service is an independent professional service. Independent. Have to be independent because they have to assurance something that improve the quality of information. Yeah, that's why we talked before about how to reduce the information risk. Yeah, because the assurance service will improve the quality of the information for the decision makers. Yeah. So the decision makers or the user of the financial statement, it's feel safe to use the information because the quality it's already assured by the independent professional service CPA, certified public accountant. Assurance service can be provided by the CPAs or other professional, yeah, like the lawyer, yeah, assurance service, yeah, the lawyer, the notaries. Assurance service by CPA have been common for years. It's already common business, especially regarding the historical financial statement information. Yeah, yeah, that's why the all of the TBK, yeah, perusahaan TBK have to be audited by the auditor. And for this is for the US. We don't have to discuss about the Sarbanes-Oxley Act. Yeah, so I will skip this matters because there is only in the US. Yeah, and that's why. So once again, this is the assurance service have to be conducted by the independent professional service. Yeah, and to improve the quality of the information. Attestation service. Yeah, this is still in the assurance service. Inside there is attestation service. Yeah, this is the definition. Type of service in which the CPA issue a report. This is the keyword. The attestation service must be issue a report. If there is no report, that's not attestation service. Okay. So once again, the attestation service is the type of service which the CPA issue a report. Have to be the physics of the report. Yeah? Uh, CPA issue a report about a subject matter or assertion that is made by another party. Yeah, so they have to issue a report, the book maybe some books, the audit report. Yeah, about their audit, about what subject they audit, what assertion, yeah, that made by the another party. So the primary categories of attestation service, yeah, this is the category, the primary, yeah, audit of historical financial statement. This is the most common business that provided by the CPA, audit of historical financial statement. And the second, audit of internal control. Internal control. Yeah? Internal control like what? Like internal control is like the POS, the SOP, yeah? SOP, standard operational procedure that run in the business, in the company. Yeah, they have to be audited. If it is it the SOP that already built is really effective, or maybe it's not efficient. Yeah, so we have to audit internal control over financial reporting. And the third, we just have to review of historical financial statement. Almost the same with the audit, but there is some part, the main part that's not uh, uh, created. It's called the opinion. In the review of historical financial statement, there is no opinion from the auditor. There is no opinion. Yeah, we will talk about it later in the next, the third chapter, chapter 3. And other attestation service that may apply to a broad range of the subject. Yeah, this is the other attestation, the other assurance service. But mostly these three. Yeah, audit of historical statement, audit of internal control, review the historical financial statement. And other assurance service do not meet the definition of attestation service. Do not meet the definition. Once again, the attestation service have to issue a report, but the other assurance service not have to issue the report. Yeah, a written report is not required. It not to be about reliability or compliance. Yeah. So the non-assurance service, that's the other assurance service. About the non-assurance service, the CPA firm perform numerous other services that generally fall outside the scope of assurance service. Yeah, this is the keywords, outside the scope of assurance service, because we not assure anything. Yeah. So this is the three specific example that already run in the business: accounting and bookkeeping service. So some company do not have any accountant, but the accounting job it's provided by the CPA. They hire the auditor, yeah, the CPA firm to build to make the financial report, the financial statement. Yeah, they hire the accounting and bookkeeping service. Yeah, hire the auditor to make the financial statement. Of course, there is no assurance service in here. Yeah, and the second, this is the mostly likely popular in Indonesia. It's about tax services. Yeah, because as you know, all the company have to pay taxes. What we spend our money, it's already taxes. Yeah, so this is non-assurance. Once again, non-assurance. There is no assurance in here. Non-assurance service. Yeah, we calculate the tax number, yeah, from our transaction. Yeah, and we report to the DJP, yeah, Directorate Jenderal Pajak, yeah, the tax consultant. And yeah, the third is management consulting service. Yeah, management consulting service. So the company hire the CPA firms to conduct the management consulting service to discuss about their business, how to run effectively their business in this era of pandemic, maybe like this. Yeah, management consulting service. Of course, there is no assurance in here. Yeah, the CPA firms only become the consultant of the management, how to run their business effectively in this industry, something like that only. And this is the example of the other assurance. You can actually read it, yeah, many of them. Yeah, that's the objective 5. And for the next video, we will talk about the objective 6. Okay, see you in the next video.